So just a quick video on how to strip down Vision 35 free hub, removing it from the rear wheel. I've already done this and I've just put it together to make it easier to do the video. So once you've removed your rear cassette and the skewer, using two 5mm Allen keys, put one in either side of the axle there and on that side, and you can unscrew the retaining cones. There's one off, and then the other one off. Then what I used was just use an appropriate size Allen key and put it on the end of the axle and tapped it out through the bearing in the free hub. Oh, that came out quite easily. But doing that, it also pushes out the bearing on the other side of the axle. So you're left with your axle on your bearing. Then you can gently take out the little seal in around the bearing in the free hub, and then I tapped out the free hub bearing. Again, this is done from the opposite side. And now that pops. Again, they're sealed cartridge bearings, but the seal can be removed, degreased, and re-grease them. Bottom right there. So it took quite a while to figure out how the actual free hub comes off, but using a 12mm Allen key, just put it down the center, and then it's a anti-clockwise rotation and it screws out from the axle. Because these were a new set of wheels, the first time I took it off I did have to put a pair of adjustables on the Allen key and loosen it that way because it was very tight indeed. It's your free hub. So that is your free hub assembly. I've already re-greased this free hub. There, you can just see there is a little O-seal that goes around, and underneath the grease there is a little rubber seal as well to protect the bearings. On the inside you've got to remove this little collar, which again is really stiff to remove. Just be careful doing this because all the little ball bearings will drop out if there's no grease left in your free hub. So just to recap, take the two cones off either side using 5mm Allen keys, tap the axle and non-drive end bearing out from the free hub side, remove the little seal and bearing from the free hub by tapping through from the non-drive end, and then using the 12mm Allen key anti-clockwise to unscrew your free hub body from the wheel hub. Hope that's helpful. Cheerio.